Hello friends, welcome to Technical Pathshala. In this video, we will learn about roll-up summary field. So, in roll-up summary field, we roll up the detail object into the parent object. So, we can show the summary of detail object in parent object like count of detail object records, sum, maximum and minimum, field values in child records. So, we will understand this with the requirement. Now, for this context, suppose this contact objects have a related list of bank account in which we will have some simple fields like bank name and amount, and then we will create one roll-up summary to get the sum of all bank accounts in the parent record. So let us do this. So for this, first we will create one custom object for bank details. So in object manager, create new custom object. Create object has been created. Now we will create one master details relationship for contact object. This we will create this master details relationship. So related to contact. Next, 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 and save this. So now create one more field in this. So for amount we have data type as currency, but for simplicity, let's keep this as number. Next, field level, amount. Next, save. So our bank detail custom object has been created with field amount. We will store the bank amount in this field and bank name in name field. Let us first see this. Drill down on this contact. So now you can see related list quick links, bank detail. Currently there is no record, so create few record here. Bank name SDFC, amount 1000. Create another record, ICICI, amount 2000. Save this. So now this contact has two related records for bank details, one for SDFC and one for ICI. So and each record has 1000 and 2000 as amount. So now we will create one roll-up summary field to show the sum of all bank accounts at this contact level. So let us see how to achieve this. So as we have created one custom object for this bank details and we have created one master details relationship in bank detail object. So for roll-up summary, we need to create roll-up summary field in master object. It means we will create one roll-up summary field in contact object. So fields and relationships, create new. So here, roll-up summary, a read-only field that displays the sum, minimum or maximum value of a field in a related list or the record count of all records listed in a related list. So for our requirement, our related list is bank details and we want to show the sum of amount of all records. So field level, amount, so master object is contact and summarized object is bank detail. And what do we want to do? We want to get the sum of all amount at the parent level. So click on next. Okay. So we have completed this step also. So now let us see this in our test application. So in contacts, in John Smith contact. So as we have seen, this contact has two related bank details record. So let us see the roll-up summary in details view. So you can see amount and this amount is 3000. So what roll-up summary field is doing? Roll-up summary field is summarizing and getting the sum of all bank detail records and displaying it at contact master object level. So hopefully you will be able to understand this concept. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.